Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix Instagram followers decreasing. The first thing you should do is to understand why your followers are decreasing. There could be various reasons for this, such as inactivity, spammy behavior, or Instagram's algorithm. The next step is to check if your account has violated Instagram's terms and conditions. If Instagram has detected any suspicious activity, it may have flagged your account and removed some of your followers. To check if your account has been flagged, go to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and select Settings. Then tap on Account and Security. If there are any issues, Instagram will display a message here. If you have not violated any terms and conditions, then the issue could be due to Instagram's algorithm. Instagram's algorithm sometimes removes inactive accounts, bots, or fake accounts, which could use your followers to decrease. Unfortunately, there is no way to prevent this from happening. Also, if you are posting spammy content, this could cause your followers to unfollow you. To avoid this, try to post engaging and high-quality content that your followers will enjoy. That's it! I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!